What's going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we'll be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as Chainlink to BTC. As you guys know, crazy stuff is happening within the crypto space. I made a video yesterday discussing the fact that I do predict a long-term bullish move in the next couple of months for cryptocurrency, including Litecoin, but I did mention short-term retracement, and guys, what goes up must come down. We're starting to see that retracement now. I did read a lot of your comments on that video, and I believe a lot of you guys comment without even watching the video, because I did say that we were bullish long term in the next couple of weeks, but short term bearish, a retracement is definitely needed. I feel like people just jump and comment right off the title and they don't actually watch the videos, but whatever reason that is, to now move on to the current video discussion. We're also going to be looking at the coin market cap as well, but otherwise, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up, and let's jump right into today's episode. So as you guys can see, we're on the current coin market cap, and the market cap is 335 billion with a 24-hour volume of 135 billion and a Bitcoin dominance of 62.5%. So dominance is dropping. You'll also notice that 24-hour volume has skyrocketed. We're seeing tons of volume now leave the markets, and it looks great. Honestly, like, I'm not surprised at all to see this retracement, and all in all, I am quite happy to see the retracement because it opens some awesome buying levels for, you know, cryptocurrency. I did wait, and I did actually just buy now, so I am pretty reluctant. Yesterday, I was waiting for some more retracement into the market because we were kind of heading up, and as you know, we do have that bottom support on Litecoin, which I'll show you guys in a second, that I said once we touch this, great buying opportunity, and it's finally here. So you can see as I scroll down to the top 10 cryptos, everything is down double digits. Crazy. Bearish everything, down 10%. Only for the day, though, it's bearish. You can see everything is down literally 12, 15, 20%, all across the board. Absolutely wild. But this retracement was overly necessary. Here is the big dump, what we've been waiting for, anticipating, and it's finally here. So I'm happy. Great prices. You know, a lot of people are upset if they bought in, but regardless, when we see this red, to me, that gets me excited. It's a great time to now be purchasing cryptocurrency because it's on sale. It's 15% off. Like, that's really good. So now, moving on to the current charts, you can see Litecoin has literally done everything textbook. It's pretty much done what we've expected. So unfortunately, we were not really anticipating a breakout, you know, to the upside just yet. We were waiting for this, you know, consolidation, this retracement back down to here. And I'm so excited to say that it's finally happened. We're in an ascending triangle. We've said this. There was resistance at 140. We've said that. We said that there's a bottom ascending wedge that's moving upwards. We've said that. We said that we're testing the bottom support. And I've said in numerous videos prior, you can watch every single video prior, that we need to retrace back down. Great buying levels would be right around here, this bottom support, where we've tested it numerous times for months now, literally months going down here. You can see all of the support and resistance. And now we're finally getting, you know, our money's worth, and we're retesting that. Not only did that tank us down into an almost oversold market back at 39, it gives us plenty of potential to start to retrace now for the next couple of days. So honestly, I do think that's the bottom. We may fall, I'd say start dollar cost averaging here, we may fall down to 107, but this is a great opportunity to be purchasing, and we should long-term trade back up. So, you know, short-term, if you guys bought yesterday, the day before, it's really not something to worry about as much, because if you wanted to hold on to it long-term, I really do think we're going to head right back up to the price that we're currently at, which is 140, because regardless, we're now inside this ascending triangle, which you can see is right here, and all we did was just retrace back down to the bottom. So now we're going to trade out like this and head right back up to 140, and then, as I said in yesterday's video, see that, you know, really big bullish break, which comes right near the halving. So it's great. Like, it's all greatly planned out. It's all like looking very nice as we lead towards the halving. But you'll notice, like, it made sense, guys. And, you know, let me know down below in the comments what you think. But this pullback was necessary, and it's not like it went to an unpredictable crazy low. You know, we saw it going back down to 112. Like, we knew it was going to hit there. We knew it was going to follow back down to this bottom support, retest here, and then start to move up higher. With all the other cryptos being overbought, it only made sense to see this consolidation. But, you know, this is short-term analysis. So don't get discouraged. I know a lot of people attach their emotions to markets like this when they see retracement like this. Guys, it's only been a day. Like, give it another month or two, and we could be closer to $200, you know, but this is a great opportunity to buy more for myself or to buy in for myself in a short-term play, and then, you know, buying at 112, traded at 143, you make some good profit. Now, moving on to Bitcoin, I mean, guys, do I really even need to explain myself? Like, I don't have to be no crazy, you know, crypto enthusiast, chart professional. This is like obvious. You know, we skyrocketed up at an unbelievable rate all the way to 13,000. I believe that was 13,000. Did we go higher? I think we almost tested 14,000 on Coinbase, and now we're starting to see a dip. Not only were we extremely overbought, which we're now just on the cusp of being overbought, but this retracement was necessary. It was obvious. It made sense. We needed to pull back down, but once again, it's short term. Now, obviously, Litecoin looks better positioned to be buying in than Bitcoin does. Bitcoin, I do think, needs some more consolidation, but regardless, it's just one day. I think in the next couple of weeks, we're going to head right back up and break past our previous highs. So I really do think it just, if you should be in the game, and I don't want to like give advice or anything like that, but I think I would be in the game. I think I should be in the game, or I don't even know how to word that. You guys should be in the game. You should, you know, just invest in something that you like. I'm not telling you what or when or how to buy it. I'll tell you what I'm buying and when I'm buying it, but it doesn't make sense. The market is doing crazy. You know, the media looks stupid now and selfish. They called cryptocurrency and Bitcoin a scam, and now we're already back to that same price level in less than a year. You know, we saw Bitcoin go to 20 grand, or it might have been a year, and then we fell all the way down 3 grand. They're like, oh, it's a bubble. It's gone. Stupid people invested. We're already just retested $14,000. So, like, who's the fool? It's not really a bubble if we just retested 14 grand when we were literally at 20 grand over a year ago. So, you look stupid, CNN and the media and stuff like that. Like, we're going to head up. We're going to retest at 20,000. There's less people behind it now. Or there might even be more. It's a sleeping giant. There's less media attention that I'm starting to notice. Not many people are, you know, my friends and stuff are as interested in it. And it's just slowly growing right under their nose. They don't even realize. But, you know, it's just for us. We're going to make the money, not them. And that's kind of how it is. We'll, you know, when to buy in, buy and sell out in anticipation of this retracement. And in anticipation of a bullish move, you can see we're really not too overbought on the weekly. Plenty of movement to the upside. You can see, yeah, it makes sense why we see this retracement. There is, you know, bottom support right here. We're kind of coming into areas that we have not been in a long time, but pretty wild to see that we were down here at 3 grand back in December, and it's already, I think, halfway through 2019, and we doubled. No, like we quadrupled in price. We're at 3 grand, we went to 14 grand. So markets is crazy, guys. This is crazy. It's unbelievable, and you got to be in it to win it. So, I mean, I'm cashing out. I'm going to make good money on this. You know, it's just how it is. You know, lastly, Ethereum needs more consolidation. I think it needs more pullback. As you can see, we did draw on this uptrend, so I think it does need to consolidate out, pull back down a little bit lower. Then again, it's nearing previous support, so I just want to draw this here. But I do think it should consolidate down a little bit more. But this doesn't look too bad if we stay right around where we are. But all in all, we should be paying more attention to Litecoin and Bitcoin, because I think those are going to be the biggest players in the near future for you guys, because Bitcoin, you know, is following a really good pattern. It's following a path. Litecoin 100% is going to be the next one to blow. Truly, that's what I think. I think it's going to pop. I think we're going to start retracing right back up now, like as we did. We tested 112, we're already at 117. Then we're going to start heading right back up. Truthfully, you know, if I'm wrong and we had lower, I'll be surprised and shocked. But, you know, it's been following technical analysis so well, I honestly do think it's going to do something along the lines of this, you know, and head up and retest 140. So it's just a short-term retracement. I think we're going to go back up very, very, very soon. Lastly, to wrap up the episode, let's talk about Chainlink. Chainlink, look, so here's the thing, guys. You know, Chainlink, we've now discovered a pattern with Chainlink. And it's pretty awesome to say it, you know, when the market is down, Chainlink, you know, does well. This cryptocurrency acts inversely compared to others. We've now literally proven it. We've thought about it, and now it's proven itself. Yesterday, when the markets were up, you know, phenomenal price, we tanked. Now, when the markets are down, Chainlink is skyrocketing. You know, it was here, and it's shot all the way up to here on the daily. So it shows us that there is potential to make money even in this reverse market. We just have to pay close attention when coins are doing bad. When we see Bitcoin start to retrace, that's when Chainlink is going to do quite well. But we're starting to trade out sideways. I think we're going to probably continue to follow along this pattern. And I think because it was such a major retracement in price within the whole cryptocurrency market, I think tomorrow or the next day, we're going to see it move right back up, that ripple effect, and it's going to bounce. And then we're going to see Chainlink retrace again back down to its, uptrend. But that's going to sum up today's episode for today, guys. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up, and I'll see you in tomorrow's episode. Peace.